Any way we can open those gates and have a football game or any type of game in the fall is going to be a blessing. It's been raining a lot. That's been a challenge over the last month. We've gotten a lot of rain. I appreciate what our contractors have been doing out there. So they've been trying to make the most of the time out on the sites, but it's hard. The other day, watched them work for a couple hours early in the morning, 6 a.m. on, and then they had to quit because of the downpour. So it's definitely been a challenge over the last month. We're still in that early phase where they're doing a lot of groundwork. They're trying to get all the power tied in, sewer tied in. It's not the fun stuff that people like to see, but they have completed the restroom on the home side, or at least got the framing up for that. They are working on the tower. It's always fun for me to tell people that it's only halfway built, so when they go look at it, they're like, that's halfway, and it's gonna be way up there in the air. It's gonna be a nice feature that'll really tie the stadium in together, see this nice big tower. It'll be one of the first things they see as they pull into the parking lot. They'll see that as they come in. We joked with our architects that it was only a few feet under skyscraper code. That way we didn't have to attach permanent lights to the top of it for airplanes, and so that's been a running joke around. Primarily used for an elevator to help us get to the top of the stand, so we're not having to traverse through the crowd to get to the top. So allow our workers and other people, media, to be able to get to the top and be able to do their job. June and July are going to be quick months for construction. You'll see the primary part of the construction in terms of what the community will see, the visibility. We'll start to see a lot of that in June and July. In July, you'll see the stands going in and things like that. And we'll be actually wrapping up the first part of August. So even though it doesn't look like a whole lot right now, you will see over the next 2 months a lot of work getting done, a lot of the finishing work. We're looking at the first week or two in August as the final completion date, and so that should give us a week or so before we have our first home game to be able to kind of make sure the stadium is, stocked and ready to receive the community. It's very fast paced, but it's fun. It's a lot of work, but it's fun, and I'll be actually more excited when it's done because we'll get to enjoy it.